Welcome. Today we'll explore Google Sheets, a powerful and versatile tool for data organization and analysis. Let's get familiar with the Google Sheets interface, including the menu bar, toolbars, and how to navigate between tabs. Follow these simple steps to create your very first spreadsheet. We'll start from scratch. Next, let's enter and format different types of data, including text, numbers, and dates for clarity. Learn how to use basic formulas like sum, average, and more to perform calculations with ease. Data visualization is key. Let's explore how to create effective charts and graphs to present your information clearly. Sorting and filtering your data helps in organizing information effectively. Let's see how it's done. Collaboration is crucial. Discover how to share your sheets and add comments for feedback and communication. Finally, let's go over tips on saving and exporting your work in different formats to suit your needs. Thank you for joining us. Check out these resources for more tips and tricks as you continue your learning journey with Google Sheets.